What critical information do you need to know before selling your home? Hey guys, my name is Rod with Next Home Navigator here in Salt Lake City, and I was just preparing a micro market update for one of our clients who's getting ready to put their houses on the market and sell their home. They live in Sandy. We did a quick CMA and a quick analysis and discovered that their value is roughly around $600,000. So every week I pull this report for my clients just to prepare them so that they can time the market and make sure they maximize their proceeds. Guys, I'm going to share my screen really quick just to give you an inside peek at how we do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in the list price of the homes that they are competing with to see how many houses are currently on the market in their price range and in their location. So between 550 and 650,000 in the 84093 zip code, we find that there are 5 homes available for sale. Here are the 5 homes. Here's the addresses, their square footage, a little bit of information. So I'll send this information to them. The next thing we want to find out is how many homes are currently under contract in that price range and location, meaning what have buyers said yes to? So in that same price range and in the same location, we find that there are 2 homes currently under contract, both about 2,000 square feet and both right around 595 to 560,000. The final thing we're going to look at is how many homes have sold in this price range and the location in the last 3 months. So we're going to go back to October 29th of 2023, and we find that there are 10 homes that have sold in the price range and in the location. So if I take that number 10 and divide it by 3 months, we find that there are roughly 3 buyers per month buying homes in their price range and in their location. Currently, there are 5 homes that are available for sale and 2 that are under contract. So we'll send them all that information to make sure they understand what their competition looks like when they're ready to list their home. If you would like a micro market update about your home to figure out what's selling in your price range, in your location, to consider how much equity you have, or just to keep informed about the market, please message me, text me, let me know that you're interested in knowing that information about your home, and I'll get you that same report. Look forward to hearing from you.